KettleBell Concepts is the business-to-business leader in kettlebell education for highly qualified, currently practicing fitness professionals globally. The depth, breadth, and scope of our trainings is geared solely towards fitness professionals. KBC is your one-stop shop for educating your personal trainers, your strength and conditioning coaches, your Group X instructors, as well as your PTs, OTs, and other health professionals. In this video, we're going to tell you about our curriculum, about its features, advantages, and benefits. We'll tell you about how KBC can help you as an independent trainer or a fitness facility make more money and much more. It all begins with our Level 1 General Performance and Health Tract. In the Level 1 General Performance and Health, we introduce the KBC philosophy of mind, movement, muscle. The KBC philosophy of mind, movement, muscle is the basic idea that muscles are the effector. The mind is the main controlling organism of the body. So when we train, if we think of training muscles, we end up putting the cart before the horse. However, kettlebells are a very effective tool for training the nervous system and movement patterns, which then gives us a wonderful adaptation at the muscular level. After our Level 1 course, we have two different tracts of training that your trainers or strength and conditioning staff can participate in. The first tract is the strength and conditioning tract. It begins with the Level 1 and then moves on to the Level 2, KettleBell Concepts Metabolic and Neurological Specialist course. The third course in our strength and conditioning tract is Kettlebell Flow, the Kettlebell Neuromatrix. This tract is designed for personal trainers and strength coaches who are working with athletes in other sports or with weight loss, post-rehab, or general fitness clients. Our other course offerings follow the Giraboy Sport tract. It again starts with Level 1 and then moves on to our Giraboy Sport Coach training. The Giraboy Sport track is geared towards those who are interested in competing or coaching clients and athletes to compete in kettlebell or Giraboy sport. The third offering in our Giraboy Sport tract is the Kettlebell Power Juggling course. KettleBell Concepts has also introduced some precursor courses. In 2007, we were fortunate enough to introduce kettlebells to Kelly Roberts, and she helped us develop the Kettlebell Total Body Blast. This is a group exercise course for your group exercise instructors that incorporates music and simple kettlebell lifts. We consider it a precursor to the Level 1 training. We've also developed the IFET course. The IFET is the Integrated Functional Explosive Training course. This helps you as a club owner or independent trainer monetize small group and boot camp style training utilizing ropes, sandbags, as well as kettlebells and other low-tech, high-effect modalities. The advantages to our trainings and our extensive curriculum in kettlebell trainings is that it helps you as a club owner or an independent trainer navigate the often confusing jungle of continuing education offerings and make sure you get the most bang for your buck and return on investment. Additionally, all of our courses conform to industry standards and are CEU approved. All of our courses are scalable and can be integrated into a wide range of fitness settings. Additionally, our courses are designed to help you monetize small group and boot camp style training, which has been said by many to be the new wave in the fitness industry. The benefits of working with KBC is that you get a continuity of philosophy and foundational theory throughout our 7 levels of courses. You have measurable outcomes with each course, and clear prerequisites and knowledge, skills, and abilities for each progressive level of training. The kettlebell is not magic. It does a lot of things well, but it can't do everything. Nothing can. The kettlebell is governed by the laws of physics and requires a foundational knowledge as well as skill in order to be able to teach it in a safe, relevant, and effective way. We know you wouldn't let your staff teach Pilates, martial arts, boxing, or yoga without being properly trained. Watching videos on YouTube is not proper training. Although the kettlebell is a little hunk of metal, it still requires great skill to be able to realize its benefits. For this reason, at KBC, we focus on the foundational sciences and their application to kettlebell training. Anatomical kinesiology, biomechanics, exercise physiology, and motor learning are stressed in our trainings. We incorporate these foundational sciences into the concept of evidence-based practice. Evidence-based practice includes the best research evidence available, coupled with skill and expertise of the modality that's being taught or used, and coupled with the values of the client or the team that you're working with. Our science-based approach to kettlebell training has a number of advantages, including citations and research evidence throughout our curriculum. Additionally, our approach is easily integratable into training modalities and systems from national organizations and that are popular in the fitness industry. This benefits your facility, your staff, and you if you're an independent personal trainer because it reinforces the foundational KSAs of the industry. Additionally, you have substantiated answers to give people as to why kettlebells are effective. And you can deal with objections in a knowledgeable, evidence-based way to get people into those boot camps and small group trainings. You kids! CSM says the art of exercise prescription is the successful integration of exercise science with behavioral techniques that result in long-term compliance and attainment of the client's goals. At KBC, we don't want the instructors we train to simply crush their clients and leave them in a sweaty heap on the floor. We want our trainers to develop programs, manipulate training variables, and quantify the amount of work that the client is doing to be able to attain the client's long-term goals. But in line with our mind, movement, muscle philosophy, we also want attention to the quality of the movement. Not just quantifying, but also quality. So at KBC, we don't want you to simply crush your clients. We want you to be a trainer, to manipulate training variables and design programs. But we want to go a step further than that and consider the quality of movement and the idea of being a coach, not just a trainer. This has, of course, distinct advantages for you and your facility. You see the big picture. You can differentiate yourself as a coach, an expert, and a realistic guide. You can critically analyze the programs of others and the programs that you develop. And you can get results for your clients. This benefits you in a number of ways. You will be the kettlebell instructor, and you'll have a waiting list for your boot camps and small group trainings. Additionally, you'll have the cachet and respect that's often reserved for the mind-body professionals. And lastly, you can have clients call you coach. Thousands of hours of in-the-trenches experience between them. They've worked as trainers, as fitness managers, and as faculty presenters for many of the national organizations and largest gym chains in the country. Our instructors have also been professors at the college level in some cases. At KBC, our courses are designed by fitness professionals for fitness professionals. At KBC, we want to ensure standardization of the product that we deliver to your trainer. Online portal that goes over the lecture material as well as the practical material for our senior instructors, many of whom have been with KBC since its inception in 2002. Additionally, we have a mentorship program so that our instructors have to teach the course with an advanced instructor a number of times before they're allowed to teach it on their own. All of this ensures a standardized product delivered to your facility. The advantages are many. Our instructors are professionals who start and finish on time. There's ample practice time for the hands-on portions of the program and ample lecture time to reinforce those KSAs. Additionally, we incorporate appropriate group learning activities into our courses, and of course, CEUs are awarded. This benefits your trainers because their questions will be answered in a professional, evidence-based way. The knowledge, skills, and abilities for each of our courses are clearly defined, and learning outcomes are measured. CEC-approved courses specifically geared towards the fitness professional. The first to implement kettlebell training in semi-private small group trainings at gyms such as TSI, Lifetime, Crunch, Equinox, and many others. KBC was the first to bring kettlebells to Korea in conjunction with KB CrossFit and the National College of Sports and Fitness. KBC was the first to roll out CEC-approved group exercise kettlebell trainings, and the first to create a kettlebell convention for the industry. KBC will continue to champion the use of kettlebells in fitness because we believe in their safety, their relevance, and their effectiveness. Our expertise in business-to-business delivery creates a number of advantages for you, including an eye on your bottom line and return on investment. KBC is the industry leader in kettlebell education and implementation, and we offer scalable and expanding course offerings through all our different levels of instructor training. Our relationship can benefit you in terms of equipment pricing, support, and packaging through our equipment partner, SIL Fitness. SIL Fitness has more than 20 years of experience in the fitness industry and impeccable customer care and support. If you're an independent trainer, not only can you be part of SIL Fitness's preferred club pricing program, but you can also take advantage of our Instructor Locator. Our robust Instructor Locator program allows you to upload videos, pictures, Google Maps, price points, and of course your own website information so that clients can find you and your kettlebell courses. For the small facility or the large facility, we can help you with step-by-step rollouts of your small group and boot camp kettlebell trainings, and with copywriting, flyers, posters, and additional marketing support. KBC is the business-to-business leader